Hi, this video is covering revisions. From the menu, click on Proposals. Once you have your proposal open, go over into the menu and click Revisions. This is going to show you any revisions that were generated from the proposal. You can see the client did approve this one. We'll go ahead and show the revision. You can see here we have a few products along with the basic package and the client signature. If the client does request changes after the generated revision and proposal, you have to make those changes back in the builder. And the only thing you want to ensure is that the builder does reflect the revision that's in there that was approved. So if the client did want to see a comparison maybe between packages and only for a system, we'll go ahead and drag this new package in here. So now we have the two along with our few products in the other system. We'll go up here to the generate proposal. And if they only want to see the one system, hide the other systems for now to only send them the one system with the packages. We'll choose by location and go ahead and download. So you can see here, this is now revision number 2 with our basic 7.1 along with our basic 5.1. So this document can be emailed or you can use the print function to save as PDF. So once the client gets this document, they decide to proceed with maybe a cheaper option of a 5.1. What you want to do is go back here into the builder and you want to also check your revision. So we'll go back and check the revision first. So you can see here we have our revision 2. If you got a verbal approval on revision 2 without the signature, you can always click approve revision. It'll allow you to delete anything previous. We'll go ahead and keep this copy in here to show that the client initially approved the first. We'll go ahead and save. So now going back into revisions, we have here that this revision was manually approved. And we still have our old one for reference on everything that was initially sent out. So this document never changes. It's a PDF document that was generated off the original proposal that was sent out with the signature. So nothing from the builder gets added or put into these documents once they're ready a revision. So this allows you to track what was sent out to the client. This is revision number 1. Opening up revision 2. You can see here at the top revision 2. And if we scroll down, we have our 7.1 comparing to the 5.1. So as mentioned, this is just an overall document that allows you to see the revision. This one gets sent to the client. And if the client did approve keeping the cheaper option, perhaps, we'll go back into the builder. And you just want to always make sure that the approved signed revision should always match what's here in your proposal builder. The proposal builder is what pushes your product over into the project along with all the products and phases. So if you did a push product relate project option, it would include both options for you, whereas the client would have only approved the 5.1, which you don't need this other package. So you want to make sure the approved revision matches here for that reason. So if they did go with the 5.1, we're going to go to the end of the line, delete 7.1. Now with that deleted, everything will match up with what the client approved, and this would match our revision. So going back into the generate proposal, this area here will allow for easier revisions for you to track or maybe send a better best option to your client or maybe a certain system that they want to see. You can toggle these on and off to be able to present different options for your clients. Thank you for watching Revisions.